only one important question in Jolly Jpac, because now I know Quiva, and I say only one important question in Jolly Jpac, because in every single thing on a to refute all that Ogesho Kekenjaka has been saying. There is one thing that Jpac has never refuted since this saga started. I'm no for the Patahana say, ono na agba fuel n'ọkụ, ono na agba fuel n'ọkụ, afụlụngo ị na-ekpudo, onye okpudo, peacemaker, afụlụngo, mana ebia na page doka page m, ebialuo, appreciate peace. Man, ije na page Jpac ruo ebe ahụ say, ride on, they are jealous of you, ride on, nobody will stop you, gaba n'iru newe handụ, they are jealous of you, akwụcha ekalere ha, boss, you pass them, Mr. Peacemaker. Peace. Back to what I was saying, because he has almost refuted everything Ogechi has said, except one thing. And I don't know why people are not asking him that question. Jpac, was there any time Ije Woputa video or picture of Papa Ogechi Ogon na hospital? Saga? Why are you jumping that particular matter? Why are you jumping that particular matter? Ogechi make gay. Yeah, clear, very clear, audible to the deaf, visible to the blind. That nefa, wunya the root cause of ifegune neme na Facebook today. The only thing wuna ni ifi kuru makande Zion and Dako Zion wunya jezi wekie mwago nonola. She has said it repeatedly. Now my question is, why are you not saying anything about that? In all your videos that I have watched, I have never heard you say anything about that particular issue of Mpe. You have never said that you did not do it. You have never said no. You have never said no. She misunderstood what I said. You have never said no. Or somebody else. Why? You have not said anything about that. You end up refuting what she said about Bebioko, Seaman Global, our own Ebo Senator Patrick Efanyoba, Nkokulu, about yourself, and a lot of things. But what of Nkokulu? Why have you not said anything about it? And why are people pretending like they are not hearing that part of the story? You have refuted everyone, no doubt. However, I have said that my only regret in all this is bringing a lot of people into this matter. People who are innocent of this saga. They got involved that indirectly. That is a regret, and that is my regret. Now, but let us ask you a very important question. Ije wota picture mpo geshi mbwede manu ngolo, Professor Timothy Okeke, did you bring out his picture? Tiye niru Facebook wewolie baya saga. Kerife uyo Iyeju we put on Facebook kere de kolo a man during the time of COVID-19. What is your aim of doing that? Now, why are you finding it difficult to apologize to Ogechi, knowing that you did an injustice to the living and to the died one? Ogechi, you did the highest injustice to him, and you did the same to Ogechi and her family. If you cannot tender an apology, what stops you from bringing or using the name of the person with that picture? If you are pretending now to be the victim. You are pretending now to be the victim. Why Ogechi is the oppressor? If not because of innocent of this age, Bobatani medicine. Do you think that there are people, no any single person that can be pitying you? I'm asking you. It is because of those people can the Madu Jiwena are too careful on how to get involved in this matter. Oh no, so some go and the Madu Mega Alu Mega Jimenizua. Zajua and Abasaga, Mr. Saga. Imedia con imehe, or Imedia Yombagalo, or nature Yombagalo. Kuonye that picture with your full chest. And if we not walk okay, Belankwa na bagare, na nemenka. Yes, Bebioko has said this. Seaman Grober has vindicated me. When are you going to vindicate yourself about Igbo suspicion Pogechi? Na Facebook. Zaye. In a body and emewu. In a basaga. Okwani go na keep as well. If you can't take back to the on. If you can't take back to the on. If you I want to go on a much on among cases can happen ever. All nation is that this is the question that people have been jumping, but I've decided to ask you this question directly. I've never heard you say anything about it since we started talking about this. You have never said anything about it, and I am curious. You want to go? I'm curious. It's a question and it demands an answer. Darren.